Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making bean cake. We call it Kosai in Hausa. So keep on watching. So in here I have 2 cups of beans. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it inside a mortar, and then I'm going to remove the peel the old-fashioned way. But if you don't want to do that, you can just put it inside a container and then soak it in water and let it sit overnight, or let it sit for some hours, and then later on you can just use your hand and take out the peel. But I'm not going to do it that way, so keep on watching. I'm putting the beans inside. I'm adding little amount of water inside the beans. So I'm going to use a pestle and then gently pound it. I know some of you would prefer to just soak it in water. But seriously, I find this method easier and faster. So as you can see, the beans is gradually separating from the peels. As you can see, it's ready. So I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and then separate them. So I've added water into the beans and I'm now going to separate them. This is the easiest way so that you don't waste water. So I've washed the beans. Now I'm going to add in some bell pepper and onions, and then I'm going to blend it and get back to you. Okay guys, so I've already blended my akara. This is the paste, but I'm still going in with a hand mixer to mix it to incorporate it inside the batter. Okay, so I'm done mixing it. You can see it's smoother now. So I'm going to deep fry it now. Add in salt.